to new academic year 2021-22. Dear parents and students, myself Dinesh Kumar A, Headmaster of Gurudeva English Medium Higher Primary School, Kottayam. I hope we have successfully completed the academic aspects of 2020-21 with your good cooperation. Education is the continued process, so that we won't stop giving the education to the students due to corona. So that in this year also we will continue the online based classes until the government give the permission for physical classes. By this way we are trying to make our students precious time as useful. Here is the proverb: students' life is golden life. If the students learn something which are belongs to the education process itself, it is golden life. So that students, you can enjoy your student life by learning something. You can use as your stepping stone for your bright future, and also at the same time you should follow the rules and regulations of our school. If you get any problem, any doubts regarding academic process, you can get the clarification or solution from the teachers and as well as headmaster. We are all with you. We need your good cooperation to give our best. By saying this, I conclude my words. Stay at home, be safe by following safety measures which are given by the government due to corona. Thank you, Ananda.
Hello children, welcome to Gurudeva online classes. I hope you are all fine at home. First of all, I am going to introduce myself. I am Pallavi. I am working as an academic leader for the standards 6th, 7th and 8th standard. What is this academic leader? Yes, academic leader means I am going to take care the academic aspects, that is a teaching learning process of the teacher and as well as the children. This is what about my profession. My dear children, I am going to request you, you have to study well at home through the online classes. And one more point I am going to add this year, one more point I am going to add, that is we have set one vision statement in our school. To reach that vision statement, we are going to be conduct several activities to reach the vision statement. What are those several activities? When you come back to school, definitely you are going to be understand those activities and you are going to be easily reach that vision statement. Okay, this is what I am going to say, my dear children. So I am going to finally I am going to request you, my dear children, you have to watch the videos what we are going to be sent for you people for the 3 subjects. You have to watch it carefully, and if you have any doubts, please you have to ask in the groups and you have to clarify that. This is what I am going to say. My dear children, please you have to take care about your health and drink plenty of water per day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Afrin and I am the facilitator of the language English for the class 7. So dear children, you already know why we need to learn the language English, because it is a global language. We all essentially need to learn the language, the English language very clearly, because English is a language which is playing a major role in this updated world as the science and technology is improving, and the road not taken, work is worshipped, and the convergence of twine. These are the 8 number of poems you will find in your English language. Okay, so here are the whole academic year syllabus is present here, and whereas you will have the 3 supplementary readings, those supplementary readings, the name of the lessons or context, you can find it in your text. Okay, thank you very much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 2021-22ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು RM ಸಂತೋಷ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸುಮಾರು 2000 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೈವ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಸ್ಥಾನಮಾನ ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪುಟಕ್ಕಿತ್ತ ಚಿನ್ನದಂತೆ ಹೊಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಭಾಷೆ. ಈ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇನು ಕಷ್ಟಕರ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಬಂದಂತಹ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಭಾಷೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 4 ಪದ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು 4 ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತೇವೆ. ನಂತರ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ತರಗತಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನವೂ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊರೋನಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
नमस्ते बच्चों, गुरुदेव अंतरजाला क्लास को आपको सुस्वागत है और 2021 और 22 शैक्षणिक वर्ष में आपको सुस्वागत है। मैं निरंजन। आज तृतीय भाषा हिंदी 7वीं कक्षा का तृतीय भाषा हिंदी भाषा का महत्व और इसका प्रामुख्य के बारे में हमारा सहयोगी रजाक सर इन्होंने हिंदी भाषा का महत्व के बारे में बता सकते हैं। आप सुनिए।
हाय बच्चों, आप सबको स्वागत है। हमारे राज्य में हिंदी विषय को तृतीय भाषा के रूप में चर्चा करते हैं और हिंदी विषय यानी हिंदी भाषा हमारा राष्ट्रीय भाषा और इस भाषा को हमारे राज्य के राजधानी दिल्ली में आडलित रूप में यानी आडलित भाषा के रूप में कार्यतंत्र करते हैं। इसी तरह हमारे लिए हिंदी विषय बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि हमारा देश विविधता में एकता है। विविधता में एकता मतलब हमारे राज्य में अलग अलग मातृभाषा में पढ़ने वाले विद्यार्थियां हैं और हम भी अलग अलग भाषा को चर्चा करते हैं। तो इस चर्चा करने के कारण हमारे देश में राष्ट्रीय भाषा हिंदी कहलाता है और हम अलग अलग राज्यों में भी हिंदी विषय के हिंदी भाषा के रूप में हमारे अगत्य वस्तुओं को और अगत्य कार्यक्रम को पूरा कर सकते हैं। तो इसी तरह आज हम यहाँ पर 7वीं कक्षा का पाठ्यक्रम यानी कार्य पाठ्यक्रम के बारे में हमारे सहयोगी निरंजन ने आपको बताते हैं। आप ध्यान से सुनिए।
तो बच्चों, 7वीं कक्षा में 3 विभाग है, गद्य भाग और पद्य भाग और व्याकरण। गद्य भाग में अध्यापक और विद्यार्थी सुनो मेरी कहानी, जिसकी मेहनत उसकी जीत, हमारे राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक दिल्ली समझदार राजू मित्र के नाम पर, और पतंजलि बलाटली सिकंदर और रवा, इन्होंने सभी पाठों के बारे में हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं। पद्य भाग में पढ़ना है ही पढ़ना है। मैथिली नाम समाता रसोई घर, मेरी अभिलाषा है, वो रोटी बिटिया, बूंद बूंद से सागर, ये सभी पद्य को बारे में हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं। और इसके साथ साथ व्याकरण भी हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं। लिंग, वचन, सर्वनाम, संज्ञा, कारक और क्रियापद, इसके बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे 7वीं कक्षा में। हम अगला कक्षा में मिलेंगे। हम सब लोग धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद बच्चों।
Hello my dear
friends, welcome to Gurdeva online classes. I am here Jayashree MSc. I am the class teacher of for Sisters section. So in this year, I will handle the mathematics class for 7th standard. Okay, so in this year, we will learn the 3 branches of mathematics and most of the carry forward lessons in these branches. Okay, so in a branch of arithmetic, we will learn the carry forward lessons of the integers, fractions, decimals and data handling. And in a branch of algebra, you will learn the simple equations and solving the equations. Okay, and the branch of geometry, you will learn about the lines, angles and constructions of triangles. You may ask that what are the uses of mathematics, right? So why do we learn this mathematics? So if you learn the mathematics, it is good for your brain and it also helps us to problem solving skills, and mathematics is all around us and it helps us understand the world in a better way. The only way to learn the mathematics is to do mathematics. Thank you.
Hello my dear children, a warm welcome to the year 2021 and 22. Let me introduce myself. I am Surya, handling 7th standard science subject in this academic year. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Dear children, science is such a curious subject. It will helpful for the students to discover the new things, and we will learn different concepts in this science subject. Then what is the importance of science subject? Why we have to study about the science subject? Through the science subject we will understand the world around us, and also we will know everything about the universe. Then why we have to study about the science subject? Science subject, it will allows the students to discover the new things, new ideas, and also it will explore the world through the different activities. Dear children, in this academic year, we will learn the science subject through different branches. Here, the branches of science are biology, chemistry and physics. Then what we are studying about in these branches? In the biology branch, we are studying about the plants and animal anatomy. And in chemistry branch, we are learning about the atoms, molecules, compound and reactions. In the physics branch, we are learning about the light, sound, metals and non-metals. Dear children, we are learning 7th standard science subject through different activities, and also we are learning the science in the different branches. Dear children, get ready with the different thoughts, different ideas to learn the science subject. Thank you.
Hi my dear friends, first of all I would like to welcome to you all for the 2021 and 22 academic year. Myself Siddesh, class teacher of 7th Vyasa section. I am handling social science subject. Dear student, as you know that social science subject we are going to divide into the 3 important parts. The first one history, the second one civics and the third one geography. So let us discuss which are the lessons we are going to discuss from the history part. Those are the first one Vijayanagara Empire, the second one Bahmani Adil Shah, the third one Bhakti cult and Sufi heritage, Nayakas, Palyagaras and Nada Prabhus, Wadiyars of Mysore, the Sultan of Delhi, the Mughal Empire and the last one Maratha dynasty. So these are the lessons we are going to discuss from the history part first semester. So let us discuss which are the lessons we are going to discuss from the civics part. Those are our constitution, fundamental rights and duties, and the third one directive principle of state policy. These are the lessons we are going to discuss from the civics part. And the next one, geography part. In this geography part, we are going to discuss the 2 important lessons. The first one North America and the second one South America. So these are the lessons we are going to discuss for the first semester. So let us discuss why do we study social science. The social science, it is very important for the student, and also it study helps us to gain knowledge of the society, and it focus on the relationship among individual in the society, and it is a mixture of many subjects. So when we are going to discuss social science subject, definitely we are going to gain the knowledge about this topic.